Have you ever wondered why some men seem to naturally draw women in, leaving them wanting more, while others struggle to hold her attention? What's the secret ingredient that makes a woman crave you? Not just physically, but emotionally and mentally too. Alright, listen up, guys. This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or trying to fake confidence. Nope. In this video, we're breaking down the real psychology behind attraction, what truly makes her crave you. Intriguing, right? We're diving into the subtle yet powerful traits, behaviors, and habits that set you apart from the rest. You'll learn how to effortlessly become the man she can't resist. Trust me, this isn't about manipulation, it's about understanding what women genuinely desire on a deeper level. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's talk about how you can ignite that spark and keep it burning. By the way, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join the tribe of men leveling up in life and relationships. Let's dive in. Confidence without arrogance. Let's start with the cornerstone, confidence. But wait, I'm not talking about walking into a room like you own it. True confidence is quiet, unshakable. It's in the way you hold eye contact, the way you stand tall, the way you speak deliberately. Here's a story for you. I had a buddy who used to overcompensate. Flashy cars, bragging about his job. But the moment he stopped trying to prove his worth and simply owned who he was, women started noticing him in a whole new way. Why? Because confidence without arrogance is magnetic. It shows you're comfortable in your skin, and that's irresistible. Think about it. Confidence stems from competence. When you know what you're doing in life, whether it's your career, hobbies, or personal growth, that energy translates into how you carry yourself. So, how do you develop this? Simple. Set goals, achieve them, and repeat. Process builds internal validation, and women pick up on that energy without you needing to boast. Emotional presence. Now, this one might surprise you. Women crave a man who can be present. Let me explain. Have you ever been on a date, and you were so caught up in what to say next or checking your phone that you missed the moment? When you're truly present, listening, responding, and making her feel seen, something magical happens. She feels valued. A little tip. Practice being present in everyday interactions. Put the phone down, make eye contact, and engage. It's simple, but wow, it leaves an impact. Let me share a quick anecdote. A friend of mine went on 2 dates with the same woman. The first time, he was distracted, checking his watch, answering texts. The second time, he committed to being 100% present. By the end of the night, she told him it was the best date she'd ever had. The difference? Presence. Mystery and intrigue. The allure of mystery. Listen, if you lay all your cards on the table up front, there's nothing left for her to discover. Women love peeling back layers, getting to know the real you, piece by piece. Think about it like this. If a movie spoiled the ending in the first 10 minutes, would you keep watching? Exactly. Keep her curious. Share enough to intrigue her, but always leave a little more for her to uncover. But don't confuse this with playing hard to get. It's not about being unavailable, it's about being interesting. Develop your passions, have your own life, and she'll naturally want to be part of it. Here's a practical tip. Have a hobby or interest that's uniquely yours. Whether it's photography, martial arts, or gardening, having something you're passionate about adds depth to your character. Share snippets of it, but not the whole story. Let her ask questions, and that's where the intrigue grows. Physical attraction goes beyond looks. Here's the thing, yes, looks matter, but not in the way you think. Women are drawn to how you carry yourself. Your posture, your grooming, even the way you walk can communicate so much more than your physical features. A quick tip. Focus on personal hygiene, wear clothes that fit well, and hit the gym, not just for her, but for you. The confidence that comes from taking care of your body radiates, and trust me, she'll notice. Now, let's go deeper. Physical attraction isn't just about appearance, it's about energy. Women pick up on how you make them feel. Are you warm, approachable, and confident? Those traits often outweigh pure aesthetics. Authenticity is the ultimate turn-on. Finally, guys, let's talk about authenticity. In a world full of filters and facades, being real is rare. And that's precisely why it's so powerful. A woman craves a man who isn't afraid to show his vulnerabilities, who stands by his values, and who doesn't change himself to fit in. It's the raw, unfiltered you that she falls for, not the polished version you think she wants. So, stop trying to be someone you're not. When you're authentic, you attract the right kind of woman, the one who craves you, exactly as you are. Alright, guys, there you have it. The traits that make her crave you on a deeper level. Which of these are you going to work on first? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on this channel. We've got everything you need to level up in relationships, confidence, and life. Hit that like button, share this video, and make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, take care and keep crushing it.